Want to access your staff discounts and exclusive deals? Here's how to add your Colleague Clubcard to the Tesco app. First, download or update the Tesco app on your iOS or Android device. Log in with your Tesco account, or create one if you don't have one already. Navigate to the Clubcard section within the app. Select the option to add Colleague Clubcard. You'll be prompted to enter your 8-digit staff ID, which is your unique employee identifier. Finally, verify your identity using the 4-digit PIN provided by Tesco HR, or through biometric verification if you're enrolled in Tesco's biometric payroll app. Some users may need to use two-factor authentication via email or SMS for added security. Once verified, your Colleague Clubcard is linked, granting instant access to your benefits. Enjoy your discounts. Having trouble adding your Clubcard? Ensure you're using the correct 8-digit staff ID and 4-digit PIN. If you've forgotten your PIN, use the self-service reset feature in the app or contact Tesco HR. Remember, this process is designed to be secure, protecting your benefits from unauthorized access. As of 2025, the app uses enhanced biometric verification for increased security. The app offers AI-driven personalized recommendations for colleague-exclusive offers based on your purchase history. If you are still experiencing issues, contact customer support, who can handle most verification queries through the customer support chatbots. Make sure the app is up to date to utilize the newest features and fixes. By linking your card, you agree to data security and GDPR.